The song that I'm going to teach is a song by Joe. It's called Heart Behind My Eyes. It's a great song. The original is actually played on a piano, but there is a version of him that actually, where he plays, I think it was in a club, and he plays it with a guitar, and it actually sounds great. And he plays it half a step down, which actually I think is easier, for his voice, at least at the time, but the shape of the chords won't change. So anyway, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, then consider subscribing. So the chords of the song, there's only 4 chords and they repeat the entire song. So this should be a fairly short tutorial. Okay, so I'll show you guys the chord, and then I'll show you guys how to play it with a bit more dynamic, because obviously it's a 3 to 4 minute song and you kind of want to change it up a bit as you go. So the first note is an F sharp, okay, and you play it using a C shape. Okay, so this pinky is actually all the way to the 9th fret. Okay, and the next chord is a D sharp minor 7. That the difference between those two was just literally the pinky being removed, right? Okay. And then a sharp minor 7. Sorry, you don't play the 6th string. Okay, and then a B major 7. That's the whole song. I probably could just stop recording now, but I'll show you guys how to play it with a bit more dynamic. So, okay, so and literally that's it. Now, when he plays it, the live version. If you look it up on YouTube, he actually plays it half a step down. So instead of an F sharp, he's playing a F, right? And instead of D sharp minor 7, sorry, he plays a D minor 7, right? So from here to here, right? And then instead of A sharp minor 7, he plays an A minor 7, and instead of a B major 7, it's a B flat major 7. Okay, and this is really where the beauty of the bar chords plays into, comes into play, because again, if you want to sing it in a lower voicing, you just move, down the fret, but you preserve all the shapes, right? Okay, so when he plays it, when he sings the verse, he just kind of plucks, so sitting in the dark with so many whys, how can I ignore your tears and hear your cries? So many times didn't let you in, like a fool I walked away, started an argument. And then when he goes to the chorus, he does a bit of finger picking, which is just top string going down to the bottom string, but just very slightly. So why do I do the things I do when my heart belonged to you? I failed to help you truly see what you truly mean to me. So give me a minute so I can show the way it looks before you go. The heart you own that beats in me. Hear my plea. Okay. And then when he gets to the chorus, again, because the notes don't change, instead of arpeggiating, it kind of, you know, gives it a bit of a slap, right? So, baby, don't leave, please don't go. I was a fool not to show how I really feel inside. I was scared, 'cause I've been hurt time too. Nothing compares to losing you. I'm willing to put my pride aside, show you the heart behind my eyes. And that's it, right? Now, there is actually a bridge where it kind of slows it down, but again, the notes are the same. But I'll show you guys how to play. So it's essentially saying, my heart would die inside if you ever say goodbye. Right? He's begging for you to stay, but I'm gonna change my mind. Right? Wants to open up, give you all this trust. Right? But again, in the original, it's half a step up, so half a step here. But obviously live, you know, you move it up, you move it down, right? But that's essentially the song. It's a great song. I hope you guys give it a try. And if you've never heard the song, go check it out and learn it. It's a great song, you know, very romantic. Anyway, all right, enjoy.